Welcome back to Sister on City TV and City FM. I don't know if you heard what she said. Some people are bad. It's true, actually. We've been having a laugh during the commercial, but let me see if I can squeeze in at least one last message. So it says, "Hi sisters, there is this guy I really like. He finally proposed last week, but I don't think we can be together because of our zodiac signs. They are incompatible. I'm really in love with this guy, but I'm scared of experiencing yet another heartbreak. What should I do?" Gil, do you believe in zodiac signs?
Not really.
Okay.
I mean, I read about it, but I don't bring it into, like, you know, personal stuff. So, but she said, well, when she met him when?
No, she says he finally proposed last week.
Yeah, she made, okay.
Yeah, and they've been together for a while, but you know, their zodiac signs don't match.
But you like him? Are you compatible?
The zodiac says,
If you are compatible, if he has your standards, if he understands your love language, everything is going on well, what does, you know, the zodiac sign got to do with anything? I don't get it. I mean, like, unless you're looking for an excuse to get out. If that's the case, then get out then. But I mean, okay. I mean, I have nothing else to add to it. But
do you believe
my mouth is itching. Okay, so I think today I'm on fire.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm sorry, but
go for it.
Okay, so zodiac signs, I used to believe in them, and I still believe in them to a certain extent. So there are chances that I'll see the way you behave and I'll go like, you look like a Taurus, and most of the time, 85–90%, I'll be right. Now, the essence of zodiac signs is just a study. They've studied people who've been born in a particular over time, and they've realized these are similar character traits. Now, the fact that there are similar character traits doesn't mean that there are no deviations. There could be deviations, one. And two, it may be an opportunity to now understand and know how to work with the flaws. Because no zodiac sign has 100% terrible or 100%, you know, good. So maybe it's just a sign. Okay, people who are Tauruses are like this. Me like this, I'm a Scorpio, and I'm a very typical Scorpio. But it doesn't mean that I'm still a flirt. Now that I'm married, sometimes. Yeah, but
we didn't hear that.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean that you still, you know, but I consider myself a typical Scorpio, you understand, in terms of the way I look at things, my easiness, I'm looking at certain things, and the other side, you know, sometimes you're in-depth, the way you're able to analyze certain things and all that. But in the same vein, some of the horrible things that are attributed to Scorpios under normal circumstances, now that you know, it's an opportunity. If you agree with them, then it's an opportunity for you to work with them. So this is the thing. And now with this CSs and planned babies, I'm wondering whether the zodiac sign that you come out is actually your zodiac sign.
I know, right?
Because I can decide whether the child is coming this week or next 2 weeks. So I'm thinking that there may be a lot of dilution in the system these days. So because somebody born on 23rd, 24th, you are of two separate zodiac signs. Yeah. Of my month of birth, anyway. I'm born on 24th October, so please start saving from my birthday. So, yeah, so, you know, so I think that now my question is that when you started dating and you knew his birthday, why did you carry on to proposal before you realized that zodiac sign will be a problem? You see, sometimes, now let me get serious. Sometimes people use some of these things as an excuse. Yeah, that's exactly when they want to get out. Yeah, I think that's it. Because the zodiac sign isn't the problem.
And with the signs and things, everybody can fit in. Like
she said, he finally proposed. Yes. The word finally means that it's something that's been tabled, or maybe she was even pushing. The guy was probably reluctant. Right. So the guy has finally done it. Right. And all of a sudden, you remember Zodiac. Oh, it's a Zodiac.
I'm curious to hear Claudia's opinion on this Zodiac thing. Do you believe in Zodiacs? Like the Zodiac sign?
I don't, but I treat it like people treat their religion. Okay. So when it comes to divination, you don't even try to rationalize the way people view things and people see things. So this is someone who has a firm belief. It's like a prophet telling you this man that you're going to marry, and he will leave you. You can't challenge a person on that. So you can just say that although she believes in the zodiac signs, I believe it's just a projection. And a projection is a projection. You treat it as such. projection is supposed to help future planning. So you are lucky to have found out, okay, this person that has proposed to me has these flaws. How do I overcome these flaws? Is this something that I can work with? I think that's a more pragmatic way for her to approach it, because she's not going to do away with the zodiac signs, but I feel she can actually use it to her advantage to see where the flaws are, where she can complement him in that way. But aside that, it's just a prediction, and a prediction is a prediction. It's supposed to help with future planning. So now you have the information. I wouldn't walk away if there's chemistry, if he's responsible, if he's respectful, he treats me right. I see myself having a future with him. I don't think zodiac sign should be a deciding factor. Actually, should be a reinforcing factor where I get more information to actually plan my life with this person who has just proposed to me. Yeah.
Right. I mean, I agree with you, Claudia. I feel like what you have got is a heads up, you know, especially if you do believe in this. So it's like, this is what the guy is going to be like. So straight away, you can even weigh the pros and cons, you know. I don't know why you are hesitant now. Is it because maybe for you the cons are more than the pros? If that's the case, then obviously it's not a relationship you should go into. But then again, maybe you should give him the benefit of the doubt. You're saying he finally proposed, like you've been waiting for it, right? Yeah. So he's done it, just, you know, and proposal doesn't mean marriage right away, does it? Like,
no.
Exactly. So
even the day before, cry, anything can happen.
Thank you. So, you know,
on the day before the day I do vows.
It's entirely up to you, really. Anyway, we'll end the show here. It's been good. Yeah. I've enjoyed myself. I hope you've enjoyed yourself as well. Yeah. If you have, please join us same time next week. But I want to say a big thank you to our sponsors, Talia Rice, always coming home to love, Vodafone, Together We Can, and Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. Do the sound. Do the sound. Do the sound.
I'm shy.
Do it. Go on.
I did it off camera, but not now.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and catch us same time next week. Bye-bye for now.